Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my Git and GitHub demonstration. In this video, I'll be explaining what Git and GitHub is and how it is used for version control and collaboration. Now I'll start explaining what is Git. Git is a version control system that helps developers manage changes to project files, track progress, and collaborate safely by maintaining a complete history of the repository. Okay, and what is GitHub? GitHub is a repository hosting and project collaboration platform that stores codes repositories online and provides tools for managing projects, reviewing code, tracking issues, and coordinating team and development. Okay, I'm going to start this video demonstration by I have an existing account on, I've signed up an account on GitHub already. I'm going to be demonstrating my learning journey via starting with creating an organization. Okay, we come to, this is GitHub platform, we come to profile, and then we select organization. Okay, now I'm going to be creating a organization is already created, known as Fan Places. Okay, now select it. I'm going to be inviting members on this team. Okay, I already had 4 members on this team, where this person is a member, and this one is a member, while I am the owner, and this other person is the owner. 4 team members. Okay, like I said earlier, GitHub is a collaborative platform. Okay, that's what we have as members. We have to work together as a team. Okay, now to create a team, we're going to start by selecting team. Okay, create new team. We're going to be creating a security team. Can you still go? Okay, what is going to be the description of this team? Okay, security team. Okay, like I said, they'll be performing regulatory assessment. Security testing. Now I'm going to be adding members to this particular team. Okay, I want to add. Can you stay with me? Okay, I will add another member. So as you can see, I've added 3. We are 3 here. This is the owner of the repo, and then this is another team member and another team member. Okay, and while we go on, okay, so you can see now selecting. We have 2 teams already here. The same process that was used in creating the security team was used for DevOps, and then for DevOps we have a member. Okay, you can actually add another member for the DevOps team. And I go. Add another one. Okay. Now we'll have 3 members on the DevOps team. Okay. Now we have DevOps team and we have the security team. Now I'm going to be creating a repository for each of the teams and assign repos as well as grant permissions to the team that's happening. Now we'll come this way. Create a repo. Okay. Now we're going to give this repo security. We're going to give this repository security. Okay. Description. Like I said, we'll perform the security. Make it public. We're going to start by creating a file. We have to visit our VS Code, our terminal. We have some files already created. This is for demonstration purposes. Okay, we're going to start with this file so that we can push. Okay, like I said, I'm going to go to the repository and push a file to our VS Code so we can push a file to the repository. Okay, and we're going to be pushing this file. This is a file I've worked on prior to this time. Okay, and then we open the terminal. Okay. Okay, remember, Git bash. Okay, we want to start by initializing. Git. Okay, we start by initializing git init. And then the next is git add. Okay, let's now git commit. My first push. Okay, we're going to move from master to main. Okay. Next we're going to add git remote add storage. Finally push git Now let's go back to okay, we can see the flag here we pushed. This is the flag we pushed. Okay, now next is to push for DevOps rep. Okay, let's still go back to our first one. Pick a file. Let's push this file. Okay. We're going to be pushing this file. Let's go to our terminal. Okay. Back to our terminal. Now remember to put on git bash. Then we'll start by initializing git init. Okay. Then the next is git add. Git commit. We're going to be moving from master to main. Okay, then we enter. Okay, we have come back to GitHub platform to confirm the pushing of the last file, as we have imputed git branch, git remote at origin. Then we finally push git push -u origin main. Okay, and then we've come back to our GitHub platform. Okay, under select DevOps to see the file that was pushed. Okay, this is the file here already pushed. Okay, so you can see now the next phase is to assign roles for each of the team members. All of these users here have a base role, which is the read role. Okay, read role. Okay, we have 3 users here, and this is their admin. So I'm going to grant them right access to this person, okay, as well as this person, right access granted to them. Okay. These are the demos too. Right access for this person, second user, this only has a strong both read and write access. Okay. While on the security report, we'll add people. I'm going to be granting right access to this person, the staff. Okay, add selection. And then another team member. Okay, I'm going to add another person on the security report. To be able to access this, you click on the repo, you come to settings, and then you choose collaborators and team members. So I'm adding another person on the security repo with a right access. Okay, I'm going to be adding admin. Okay, right access. Then as well give Okay, you can also add an additional member, additional person, as well as give admin access. Okay. Okay, we have 3 persons now. Okay. He has the right access, admin access. Okay, this also has the right access. Now, as you can see that the 4 members here has the read access. All 4 members can access the repository. This is a base rule. 3 have access to this repository. Okay, and then 0 users and 0 team can access the repository through the organization. Okay, now knowing that this person can, okay, this number of persons, like I said, you can access has right access, this other access. Okay, you can actually access the repo, read, write. Okay, I want to see how you can actually there's room for adjustments in the repo. Kindly note that. Okay, I've actually logged into another account. Okay, having access to DevOps repo. I can actually read on this. I can actually read from here. I have access to read. Okay, and then if I want to make changes on this file, I can actually commit changes. Okay, typical example is this. By forking the file. Okay, typical example is this development. Let's see the file. Okay, and then let's see what we're going to be working on as a team. Okay. Okay, this is like the early stage of development. Okay, development of this file, and then if there's need to make adjustments, okay, I can come to the repo by having formed the file and impute what okay, let's say customer support is available anytime you need assistance. They are all our channels. Okay, this is an adjustment. Okay, and I select commit. Okay. Right, what's the X service? Okay, being an insurance platform. Okay, I added customer support availability via our channels. I wrote the commit message here. Okay, and then this is the details, and I select it. Okay, as you can see, all of these changes made. These changes can actually be accepted by the organization if it means it requires standards, change standard, okay, required professional standard. That's when it's going to be out. Okay, why will okay, I'm going to put a pull request for this adjustment. Customer support, clear our channels. I'm going to be creating a pull request. Okay, and then when I can write the details, okay, create pull request. Okay, the pull request have been created. Now it's to merge the pull request and confirm it. If I do not have this access, I don't have access to it. The admin will do this after confirming that all that was detailed is in line with the international standards. That's when it's going to confirm merge. Okay. This is also called branching. Pull request reflects on the admin platform. It's going to reflect there. Okay, so check that by logging into the new platform. Remember this is a user access. Okay, this is it merged. Okay, minutes ago, addition of customers or channels. Okay, pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay, we're going to check on the main platform to see if this change was actually edited, if it was successful. Okay, we're back here on the DevOps repo. Okay, and we'll come to this point. Let's find out if he was successful. Well, to reduce the length of time waiting. Okay, you can see that our customer team is available anytime you need assistance via all our channels. That was the addition. Okay, so you can see that this was successful. It was successfully done. Okay, in the case where a user does not have right access, this request will be pulled and forwarded to the admin, which will certainly go through organizational series of approval. Okay, to check if it meets required standard prior to approval. Okay, this is to avoid having a mess up repository repo, okay? And the importance of assigning roles to the admin is that it gives you, admin has the right to access requests prior to changes made to the repository. That means it has to go through a process of checkmating and final approval if it meets required standard. In conclusion, this is a summary of managing roles, adding team members, assigning users and others amongst as required on the Git and GitHub platform. Okay, and then the next video I'll be showing